my crafty friends. Nikki here with another card a day, although it may be every other day. And I also want to case Linda Bedinger's idea for her paper pumpkin kit, this last one. Something about a smile, I can't remember, I'm sorry. But it also has the ocean theme this time, or the sand, the beach. And I pulled out my Hero Arts May 2017 kit again for this one. And so I want to say thank you to Linda for this inspiration. Okay, I went ahead and did a lot of cutting and coloring beforehand. This is a beautiful wave background stamp from Hero Arts. The only problem that I had was that it's portrait style. And I had to try to make this long piece. So that was really fun. I did use my stamp positioner, thank goodness for that. But it's really beautiful. I think it turned out great. I did a tone on tone with the turquoise. All right, and I also cut out the little coral pieces out of glittered cardstock with the die, and then I stamped and colored. I have Shuttle Art alcohol markers, and I went ahead and fussy cut. I'm not the best fussy cutter. And I have another piece of, this is actually seagrass, but I did it in the same cardstock. And then the purple starfish to go with her outfit. And the sentiment, Ocean Full of Thanks. And then in the inside, I went ahead and stamped You Are Wonderful in Bermuda Bay, and another piece of coral, and then a piece of that cardstock. I worked so hard on it, I didn't want it to go to waste. All right, let's get started putting this together. Okay, yeah, you can see where I worked several sheets of cardstock to do this, but it's small. Not a problem. Practice makes perfect in everything, and that's why I feel like I probably need to do more fussy cutting, and then I'll get better at it, right? Put this about in the middle. I will link to her video if you would like to see that. Okay, let's glue our little piece of coral. I didn't put anything underneath this, and now I have glue all over the mat here. Okay. I'll just do one. Okay. And then I'll put this one down at the bottom here. A nice little bit of splatter there. I didn't mean to do it, but it looks like I did, so I'm going with it. You can tell my fingers, I've been busy working on this. And of course got ink everywhere. Okay. We're going to pop up our little lady. I am going to go ahead and wink Estella her tail though, so that we can have more glitter, of course. Our mermaids have got to have glitter. For sure. we are. I'm going to pop her up with a little piece of foam tape, little pieces of foam tape. Hope I have enough. There we go. Okay, where's my little starfish? Put this down at the bottom to try to hide that a little bit. Not that it makes too much difference. All right, let's pop up our, and where did I do it? There it is. Let's pop up our sentiment. And I'm going to add some Nuvo drops all around. Love my Nuvo drops. You just have to be very, very careful you don't smear them by accident when they're sitting to dry. Like I said in an earlier video, my birthday cards, my 10-minute birthday cards series, it's hard to find places to put stuff to dry without running into it and ruining everything. Sometimes it's salvageable, sometimes it's not. All right. Okay. All right, I've got a nice little palette of colors here. I've got turquoise, I've got green, I've got light green, dark turquoise. Yeah. So let's just continue and put on the Nuvo drops. This is Emerald City, but it goes with the Bermuda Bay, I thought, quite well. And then I'm going to put duck egg blue in the corners up here. Okay. So there we have it. I will leave it to dry. And like I said, I will link Linda's video. I really appreciate her inspiration, and I'm sure a lot of you do too. Thanks again for watching. This is my card a day, or in my case, every other day, every third day, with Call Me Crafty Al. I'm so glad you joined me today. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful holiday. And talk to you later. Bye-bye.